This is a follow-up video I made for the Windows 7 beta on the MacBook Pro unibody. This is the 4 gig of RAM model, so it's got all the high-end stuff on it. You can see the boot menu here. You can boot right into Windows. I've had a few requests. I posted my original video of a couple people wanting to see some of the additional features, so we're going to go ahead and do a demo of those. And just takes a little bit of a second. Here's the new startup screen. It's got a really cool graphic that starts to form here. And you can watch my other video I made on this for details in terms of how long it took to upload and whatnot, or excuse me, install. And you can see it's logging in now. And it fires right up. Not much of a delay. I got a couple programs here that'll start automatically. And you can see there it's Windows 7 for testing purposes only. This is the new public version here. And got AIM installed. And this is going to be a short one. I'm just going to take you through some of the features here. And so we'll go ahead and launch Internet. And we'll go ahead and launch Windows Media Player. And recommended settings. Just make this easy. Finish. And let's go ahead and open up Notepad, and the one thing I do notice on the Mac with this is the track. I don't really understand how to use the trackpad. It interprets it different than what the Mac OS does, which is fine. That's my only complaint. It does work. It's just trying to adjust and get used to it. Seems to be a little bit tricky. Alright, so we have quite a few applications here. You can see the transparency down there in the bottom. And from here, the new taskbar, you can actually mouse over and check out the window, the preview. They call it the arrow peak. And then from there, you can select which window you want to bring up. You can see when you highlight one over, it gives you the preview. Gives you a preview of what that window's doing. But scroll through here. It's got some new features. If you want to maximize, you can just scroll up, and that maximizes it. And then if you want to minimize it, you just click and drag down just a little bit. So anything you throw up to the top, it's going to maximize. Do Windows Media Player. Bring it down, bring it up, maximize. It's got the, let's see here. If you have a lot of windows open like we just did, you can go ahead and let's go ahead and get these back open. You can grab a window. We're going to go ahead and grab Windows Media Player. You can grab it and shake it, and it minimizes everything except that window. So it brings it up to focus, so you can see it. Puts everything else down on the bottom. And again, you have all the other the Windows Vista with you scroll through here. Select what you want, bring it up. It runs really good. I like it. I will post updates as people want them.